Hello, my name is Avery Baker, and I'm a full-time student and part-time UGA disability van driver for Campus Transit. So what about me? Professionally, I graduated from UGA last year, 2018, with a double major in history and social education. I haven't had the chance to teach full-time yet, but hopefully by August I will have secured a position. I'm completing my master's degree as well as my gifted education endorsement. Personally, one of the largest impacts I've had on my life and the desire to teach really came through my involvement with Boy Scouts. There was this role known as troop guide, and the troop guide was pretty much in charge of getting brand new kids who were new to Scouts through the first couple of ranks, which can be kind of content and topic heavy, like topical content. And it really wasn't teaching them like how to tie knots or set up tents or as well maintain a campsite that I enjoyed. It was really seeing the gratification and the proud, the pride that these new scouts would have when they would come back to me and say, hey, you taught me how to do that knot. Look, I can do it all by myself, kind of thing. Or like I set my tent up. Is it right? And kind of, being able to, um, encourage the learning and encourage the growth of something that I really enjoyed as a part of, kind of my first interaction with teaching. A memorable issue that I can kind of outline based on my own experience and kind of experiences that I've had in my brother's education is really about the lack of differentiation in the classroom or advanced or rich content. Um, Gifted learners need to be challenged and they need to have the opportunity to go beyond what's being taught in the classroom or that lesson. And I think based on my observations and based on my brother, it's not always the case. And I think that's kind of an issue that may be present in non-gifted classrooms as well. So my most and least favorite aspects of teaching gifted students is really that my favorite part is really the deeper connections that they can make and their ability to draw in multiple different disciplines into, like, in my case, social studies. It's very powerful to have students bring in their insights and bring in kind of stuff they've learned from other classrooms into our discussions. My least favorite is probably their ability to complete work so quickly. It's very challenging to provide additional kind of like lessons or additional enrichment for students when they're so kind of like so quick to complete it and so fast to do the work that you assigned. And this is more about lesson planning, kind of more on the teacher side as well. But I guess just their ferocious ability to consume information is something that is can be very daunting to a teacher trying to implement differentiation in their classroom. And that's about it. And hopefully we'll have a great semester together.